With its innovative hybrid drivetrain and other fuel-efficient engine options, the 2026 Hyundai Bayon reimagines the compact crossover market. This isn't merely a cosmetic change, it's a major improvement that demonstrates Hyundai's dedication to providing fashionable, functional, and technologically sophisticated automobiles created for contemporary families and urban explorers. The Bayon is ready to take the lead thanks to its innovative design, practical features, and plush interior. With its drastically redesigned exterior, the 2026 Hyundai Bayon manages to keep its distinctive crossover allure while incorporating more aggressive and futuristic design cues. A reworked grille with a bottom opening gives the front fascia an aggressive and powerful appearance. The new seamless horizon LED daytime running lights, which sweep across the hood, give the front end a wider, more modern look and complement the clean design. The design is finished off with headlights fashioned like arrows, which not only improve visibility, but also provide a touch of contemporary style. When seen from the side, its athletic nature is emphasized by its dynamic shoulder line and sporty wedge-shaped design. The back end is just as eye-catching, featuring a red accent line that connects arrow-shaped LED rear combination lighting, giving the impression of more width and a more dynamic look. Adding to the Bayon's already impressive blend of toughness and style, the new wide skid plates blend in with the design, without drawing attention to themselves. To round off the redesigned exterior, the Bayon now has fashionable 17-inch alloy wheels, making it the envy of the city. A new and important powertrain is unveiled in the 2026 Hyundai Bayon, demonstrating Hyundai's strategic shift towards more varied and efficient products. Launching alongside the Bayon will be this brand new 1.4-liter TGD engine, which was created right here in the country. Though smaller and more fuel-efficient than bigger engines, it outperforms them in terms of torque and drivability. The fact that this engine is compatible with hybrid systems suggests that Hyundai is planning to electrify more of their lineup, including the 2026 Bayon with a hybrid version. Market demand will determine if the Bayon keeps offering other fuel-efficient powertrain alternatives, such as a 1.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine. The Bayon is available with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT automatic transmission on a global scale. Electric continuously variable transmissions are also available in some markets, which improves performance and fuel economy. With this updated engine, the Bayon is prepared for the future and shows Hyundai's dedication to environmental responsibility, since it conforms with the impending CAFE 3 and BS7 emission standards.